This is a simple hack to make a quick and delicious brunch shakshuka on the road. Let's get started. First, we'll start by sautéing onion, red bell pepper, and garlic in a pan with some olive oil. Then we're going to add a little bit of cumin, paprika, and some chipotle chilli with the onions and cook that down for a few more minutes. Typically, shakshuka is made by simmering down tomatoes. Using a pasta sauce makes it much quicker and easier when we're on the road. As soon as the sauce starts to simmer, we'll make little wells with the back of a spoon where we're going to crack the eggs. Next, we'll turn the heat down to low, cover, and let simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes until the eggs are perfectly cooked. To finish it off, we're going to add some crumbled feta and some fresh chopped parsley on top. Enjoy with a fresh baguette to soak up all that delicious sauce. This was Roadside Recipes. Thanks for cooking along with us. See you next time.